how to fix protect sheets and ranges in Google Sheets. So if you're not finding the option of protect sheets and ranges in Google Sheets, then here's the fix. You need to open up your browser at first. On your browser, you need to go with the upper right, which has that Google Apps, and you need to go with your Google Sheets. Once you're on your Google Sheet, now you just need to simply select your sheet. Once you've selected your sheet, what you need to do is just simply go with the text that you would like to protect or the information that you would like to protect, select it, and then go with data. And here you will have protect sheets and ranges. But if you don't find this option, then what you need to do is make sure that your spreadsheet or your file is in Google Sheets format. Because if it's not in the format, or if it is in the Excel format, then you won't have that option. So here you will have another format name. You just need to click on the format and you need to go with Sheets format. Once you go with the Sheets format, then you need to select and go with the data section, and here you will have protect sheets and ranges. Just click on it and that's it. You can give it a description and set a range and go with set permissions, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.